Hi guys, it's Allie with AMI Clubwear, your source of the trendiest fashion. Today we're going to talk about my fashion tips. But before we get into anything else, here's 3 things that are guaranteed to make you feel more attractive. Embracing yourself, confidence, and having a good heart. But first, let's talk about some summer must-haves. You always need pasties. 2, a bikini that fits you just right. And 3, a pair of extra sandals. In the summer, my top items that I choose to wear are always high-waisted shorts, crop tops, and comfortable shoes. I love to wear crop tops because they're free and they keep you cool in the hot sun, and then also shorts, of course, because they're easy to wear all day when you're wearing your bathing suit and you go to the beach. And now for some fashion don'ts. Don't wear heels that are too uncomfortable for you because it hurts. And don't wear a dress that isn't right for the occasion. Make sure that you always plan ahead of time. And then also, don't forget to put underwear on if you're going to wear a short dress. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found these fashion tips helpful. Have a great summer, and thank you for shopping with AMI.